Now, a little walk. What do you say to that, eh? Stretch your little legs. Come on, lad.
Do you think he likes you patronising him like that?
Eh? I was talking to you.
Yeah, funny.
Oh, why don't you come with us, eh? Do you good.
Do you really do that?
Well, bag it and bin it. Aye. Come on, Monty. We're taking Kane for a walk. Now, don't you worry. His bark is worse than his bite.
Will you listen to that? Some people. Not a thought for anyone else.
It's Victoria's.
Well, we run a battery down. Let's get on.
And you?
What about me?
Go to work. Leave murder investigations to people that know what they're doing.
Yeah, I heard you before, loud and clear. In fact, I was thinking about going over now to patch things up with Belle.
Blimey, an apology from Robert. Can't believe what I'm hearing.
Well, let's hope she likes surprises.
Can't find them.
They'll be in a pocket or something.
No, I can't go anywhere without my pills.
You really need a better suitcase. I love you so much. I promise you, you're not gonna regret this.
You're still bleeding.
Yeah, I know.
Sir?
The sooner we get on the road, the sooner we can get him an ambulance. All right? This is just bad timing.
What, is this you? Is this who you've always been all this time?
What do you mean?
All the time we've been together, Lachlan, I don't understand.
Who else could it have been? I'll close that for you.
No, I need my medication.
Well, you'll just have to get some more.
I can't just get some more. Please, just let me call him an ambulance.
I've told you, all right, when we've left. And nothing's changed. You know, I said I'd do anything for you, and I have. And when things have needed doing, even when they've been hard, I've done them. Just so you and me could be together. Nothing's changed, Belle. So really, a bit of gratitude. It'll be fine.
Please!
You keep your mouth shut.